How to delete your home in Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, simply tap on the profile picture. And here, if you slowly scroll down, there's a section called Home Settings. Tap on Home Settings. So now, we're in the settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes in the home. So if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a delete button. Simply tap on delete this home, and here at last tap on delete home. Now it will take some time. Now all the addresses and the device that were connected will be automatically gone. Now it's all deleted. Now if you want to set up a new home, simply tap on create home and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.